Let's start moving the arms in the shoulder joints here, and let's do one arm at a time. Have one palm face front. As you bring your arm up, it will start to face up and gradually turn to face down. At this point, make sure that your torso remains forward facing. We don't want to turn our torso yet. We want to move the arm bone in the shoulder joint for as much as possible. The position of the palm is important because that means we are going along with the rotation of the shoulder blades here. And our shoulder blades need a lot of mobility. It helps us to keep the shoulders in place and prevent things like shrugging of our shoulders if the shoulder blades are in proper function. Now, the left side here, palms face front, up and down. Now go to a range that you're comfortable with. If this is where you are, that's okay, and slowly turn your palm to bring it down. But if you can, go through its full range by bringing your arm back. Again, torso is still forward facing. We don't want any turns yet, no rotation yet. One last time. And from here, let's go with both arms. You can even feel the shoulder blades changing position as your arms go up and down with the different palm facing position. I hope you do, but if you don't, it's okay. Especially if you're new to this, gradually, as you become more body aware, the body will let you know. But we must also take our time to get to know our body. A couple more times. And bring your arms down. Okay. And from here, we're going to do the second variation. Palm face front, up, and as it goes down, you're going to turn your torso, following the arm movement to the back and coming back to face front. So we have the torso moving along with the arm. That means better integration of our arms, shoulders, and torso movement. We need both in our daily lives here. The micro movement of the arms in the shoulder joints, as well as a more macro movement of the arm, shoulder, chest, torso here. And let's go to the left. Palms face front, up, and as it goes down, turn your torso. Just be aware of which side feels easier or which side you feel you can go in bigger range. The side that you feel less comfortable doing, as in you might feel it's doing it in smaller range, take your time, do it slower on that side. In my case, it's the left. And be aware of each move, bringing it down or moving it slowly. And a couple more times. Both arms. And of course, this time, we're not going to be able to move the torso, but we're just finishing the movement here. A couple more times. Now, what I feel as I'm doing it is that after moving the torso along and doing the preparation just now without the torso moving, I'm able to move both arms in bigger range now. You might even feel a little bit sore around your shoulder blades. That is really, really good. Because shoulder tightness can sometimes prevent us from feeling our shoulder blades, and that's not good news. The shoulder blades need to be able to move on its own. and isolating the arms, movements in the shoulder joints first. It's a good way towards moving in the direction of having the shoulder blades move independently. And bring it down. Okay, now, in the next movement, you can loosen up a little bit because we will be lifting the rib cage. So have both hands on your shoulder joints, elbows touching. And from here, you're going to start to bring your rib cage up. Now, if your elbows don't touch, that's okay. You can have the intention of touching as long as the intention is bring both closer. And from here, separate your elbows when your rib cage can no longer lift and bring your rib cage down. Shoulder to rib movement. Again. Elbows to touch, rib cage up until you hit your max, and then separate your elbows and bring it down. Again, elbows to touch or have the intention of touching. Bring both elbows up, rib cage up, and separate them. Let's do 4 more. One more for good luck. Stay there and slowly rotate downwards. Release. If you find this video helpful, do give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe because I'm growing my channel. I would so appreciate it. If you feel anyone might need to do simple mobility moves and if you feel this video is helpful, do feel free to share it. I would also so appreciate it. And of course, I'd love to hear from you. Leave me any comments, any feedback, response in the comment section below. And always remember, keep moving, keep getting better. Movement has been my form of self-care for over 20 years, and I want to show you how you too can move and take better care of yourself every day.